Next up, Alpha Institute. In this quick video, I'll be showing you the Mystical Crate, the Elite, and of course the Weapon and Armor Crates. Let's go ahead and do it. Starting off at the Rift here, I'll activate this and we'll head in. Okay, so as you can see, this place is a monolith, but it's not exactly activated. Heading across to the front of this big monolith over here, you'll find the Bruiser, which is the Elite in the area, just sitting outside. A couple of headshots should be enough to get rid of him, which it was. Now we'll just clear out the surrounding guards. So, as you can see, we got rid of the Bruiser right here, and he gave us a couple of items, including an access card, and over here we have the weapon crate, also right in front of the huge monolith here. This is what we have inside of it, and this is the location on the map. And there's nothing inside this monolith, so it's not even worthwhile checking. Literally nothing. Yep, not even loose loot. That's quite surprising. Anyways, we'll head south now towards this main area here. You'll find yet more guards. Heading towards this massive building over here, you'll find in this building just to the left of it, so right over here, this small building, inside of here, you'll see this area with the Mystical Crate, a Weapon Crate, and even a Gear Crate. You'll need to get the Rosetta Access Card V2 from one of the elites in the area, or of course in a different area, and once you open this door, you can grab yourself the Mystical Crate, which contains these, the Weapon Crate, which contains these, and the Gear Crate, which contains these. It's a fantastic place to come with highly concentrated loot, as you can see, and for the rest of this building, I don't think there's anything worthwhile. I'll check it out anyways. Nope, never mind, I was mistaken. There's another Gear Crate up here, and it looks like another elite. This is the Rosetta Heavy. I think this one's going to be pretty angry. Yep, probably around 28k health, not too bad. We should have another access card, and of course a Gear Crate over here, which contains these items, and a bit further, we got an access card from the Elite, to be expected, and a couple of other worthwhile bits of random junk. Heading up this tower, I'm not too sure if there's anything of value that we'll find, but again, it's worthwhile checking, I suppose. Whole whack load of guards, and yep, doesn't seem to have too much of anything up here. Well, it's only that area below here. Kind of worthwhile, but traveling any further up this, not really going to get anything extra. Yeah, so, well, anyways, that's now actually it. We've done everything here, so hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.